Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Salesforce CRM system to SendinBlue. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Salesforce CRM to other systems. For example, in SendinBlue, to add new contacts, each time a lead is added to Salesforce CRM, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Salesforce CRM data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get New Leads. At this stage, you need to connect your Salesforce CRM account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must enter the login and password from your Salesforce CRM account. Next, you should receive a verification code by mail. Enter it in this field. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. In this case, there are no additional settings, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your leads in Salesforce CRM. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Salesforce CRM data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose SendinBlue as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action, Add or Update Email. At this stage, you need to connect your SendinBlue account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to specify the API key. In order to receive it, you need to go to your personal account SendinBlue. Go to section, SMTP and API. If you have not created an API key before, then create it. Give your API key a name and click Generate. Copy the API key and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive service. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to select List, where data from Salesforce CRM will go. And also assign variables from Salesforce CRM, which will be transferred to SendinBlue. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to SendinBlue. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to SendinBlue. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.